Hi guys, we are getting even more Simpsons Pops this year. Be sure to check out my other video of the Simpsons Halloween Pops that are going to be released. This is not an official announcement from Funko. It was leaked from a nerdy dad. I will show you a few pictures of what they might look like. On top of the Jack-in-the-Box helmet that we already know about, there's also going to be a glow-in-the-dark variant. I will probably be getting the glow-in-the-dark one. Next we have Devil Flanders, who will probably be carrying a black trident as well. He wears a red jacket and his bottom half is like a goat. He also has two skin coloured horns and a pointed tail. He will go well with the Devil Lisa. We will also be getting a regular Flanders, but he won't be wearing green. Instead it's Lefty Flanders from the Leftorium. He's wearing a pink shirt with the words Lord Love a Lefty and carrying a sign that says Left Power. I hope they include the sign. His right hand is raised in a fist. I prefer the regular Flanders look, but this is still an interesting choice. Finally, we will be getting a Salchow Bob Pop vinyl. I can't wait for this one. It will be interesting to see how they do the hair, since it's so curly, big and detailed. He'll probably need a stand. They'll probably have him holding a knife as well. Are you looking forward to the new Simpsons Pops? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.